I'm Matt from Utah Trikes, and today we're going to talk about the feedback stand. This is the feedback ProElite bike stand. This is the main stand we use here at Utah Trikes. We find that this stand is the most solid, sturdy stand we can use for recumbent trikes and bikes, mainly because of its wide base and large clamp diameter. This stand is pretty easy to operate, with a button to release the clamp. Makes it easy if you're holding a bike or trike to open the clamp, set it in, and then you can slide it close on the frame and then tighten it down with the knob. The clamp angle is adjustable as well. Just by moving this knob, the arm will then twist. You can also fold the stand down smaller. By releasing the clamp much more, the arm will drop to the side of the stand. Tighten it back up, lift the bottom legs, retighten the quick release. When holding a bike, you're going to want to turn the clamp so it's vertical. Press the button, pick up the bike, get the seat post into the clamp, and lock it down. Also, if you find that the work height is too low, you can release this upper quick release and extend the stand to make it taller. To release the bike, loosen some of the tension on the clamp, and then you can hit the button and it'll release. To put a trike on the stand, it's just as easy as a bike. Lift it up, put the frame into the clamp, cinch it closed, and then tighten it up. You're going to want to put the chain side towards the outside of the stand. This keeps the chain from pressing the button, which would not allow you to tighten the clamp. As you can see, the base model has no place to put any tools. But you can get an upgraded tool tray. The tools don't come with the tray, but there's a spot for all your P-handles, screwdrivers. I have a rotor truing fork and a Torx head, as well as all my cable ends and ferrules. This tray has a drain plug, just in case you spill any type of fluids in the bottom of your parts tray area. For more information on this stand and ordering this stand, visit us at utahtrikes.com.